Hey guys, my name is Piso Bill. Thank you for viewing my sulit webpage about work at home, make money online through PTC. In this my video tutorial, ituturo ko sa iyo on how to create your own PTC ClickSense account. Alright, here how it works. Step 1. Mag-sign up for free dito sa ating mga payment processor. You need to have this PayPal account at dito sa AlertPay account. Ito yung mga payment processor account natin. Ang gamit nito is sa lahat na magiging earnings natin dito sa ating PTC ClickSense at sa mga iba mo pang magiging PTC account is dito natin ita-transfer. Then from here sa ating AlertPay o sa PayPal account natin, ita-transfer natin ang lahat ng earnings natin papunta sa ating Aeon Debit Visa Card sa Union Bank. Then from here sa Union Bank, pwede na natin ma-withdraw ang lahat ng ating earnings. Alright. To speed up my video tutorial, ituturo ko muna itong Alert Pay registration. Alright. You can click this link or you can click this Alert Pay banner. Alright. Alright. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Alert Pay homepage. Now, to start our registration, click mo tong sign up free button. Alright. Next, select your country. Example, ako sa Philippines. Then, next, select your account type. For us, sa mga online marketer, we advise you to have this personal pro. Click mo lang tong check mark, then click this next step button. Alright, next, we have to select your country. Example, Philippines. Then next, select your account type. For us, sa mga online marketer, we advise you to have this, Personal Pro. Alright? Click mo lang tong check mark, then click next step. Alright. Next page, nandito tayo ngayon sa personal information. Uh, uh, you have to encode your personal, real information here. Kailangan yon kasi for account verification dito sa AlertPay. Alright. Now, meron akong sample dito para mapabilis ang aking video tutorial. Okay, start tayo sa salutation. Then, for first name, Piso. Then, my last name, example. Then, address 1. Then, city. Then, region. Then, postal code. Then, this country. Country is auto-detect na siya. Alright. Next, citizenship, Philippines, then home phone. Dito sa Pilipinas, we are plus 63. Then, next, the 10-digit number. Alright. Your current occupation. Next, date of birth. Sample. Sample. Alright. Now, after doing this, click this next step button. Alright, next, nandito na tayo ngayon sa account information. For AlertPay account login, you have to key in or type your valid email address dito. Alright, sample. Gamitin ko itong sample sa akin. Then, my password email address. Then, retype your password. Then, transaction PIN, 4-digit. Then, retype again your transaction PIN. Transaction PIN, importante to. Don't forget this. Okay, alright. Next, for password recovery, choose for security question. For example, this one. What was your first pet's name? Answer, Pluro. Okay, para madaling matandaan. Next, for third-party information, just choose no. This is the default. Alright, next for word verification, you need to type these two words here in this box. Alright, first word, them with colon, then space. What is this? Oloy, then MEND. Alright, double check. Alright. If you cannot read this word verification, click mo lang to, get a new challenge para bigyan ka ng bago. Alright. Next, check mo tong box na to for you to acknowledge that you have read and agree to AlertPay's user agreement. Okay? Advice namin na basahin mo tong user agreement nila for you to know their rules and regulations at for personal knowledge na rin. Alright. After doing this, click mo na tong final step. Alright. After clicking that final step, kailangan mong mag-login sa email address na nilagay mo dito to verify your AlertPay registration. Alright. Ang ginamit ko dito ay aking Gmail. So, if you ginamit mo Gmail, go to your Gmail or to your Yahoo Mail, go to your Yahoo Mail. Alright. Alright, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating Google account, sa Google web page. Now, sign in ka sa iyong Google o sa Yahoo Mail mo. Then, type your username and your password. Then, go to your inbox, to your mail. Then, to your inbox. Then, from your inbox, pakihanap mo yung AlertPay registration. Then, from there, click mo lang yung email verification ng AlertPay registration mo. Alright. After doing that, i-redirect ka na sa AlertPay homepage. Alright. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa ating AlertPay homepage. Now, pwede ka na mag-login by using your username and your password. Okay. As for now, skip na natin to. Balik na tayo ulit dito sa ating sulit web page instruction natin. Alright. Next, download natin tong ClickSense toolbar. Itong ClickSense toolbar na to, ito mismo. Okay. Dito mismo sa iyong browser. Importante ito. Dito mo makikita yung ads for today, then your total earnings, this survey button, and this additional stuff here. And this internet online radio player. Alright. To download the toolbar, click mo lang tong link na to. Alright. Nandito na tayo sa ClickSense toolbar application. Click mo lang tong free download button. Alright. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa address bar na clicksense.ourtoolbar.com. Click mo lang ulit itong free download button na to. Then may next page, merong image instruction dito on how to download and install the ClickSense toolbar. Click mo lang to allowed. Alright. Habang naghihintay, nagda-download na siya. Then after downloading, pwede mo nang install ang ClickSense toolbar. Alright, i-guide lang kita dito para to speed my video tutorial. After downloading and installing, automatic lalabas na dito yung ClickSense toolbar mo. Cancel ko na to. Then ito na yung ClickSense toolbar mo mismo. After installing, magre-refresh yung browser mo. Then you will see na meron ka ng ClickSense toolbar. Alright, tapos na tayo dito sa downloading. Then, we are ready now to register sa ating PTC ClickSense account. Click mo lang itong banner ads na to or this link. Alright. Click natin to. Alright, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ClickSense homepage. To start our registration, click mo itong sign up button. Alright, meron akong sample image dito. Again, to speed up my video tutorial. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa personal details. Okay, start tayo dito by filling your first name, last name, your address, city, your zip or postal code, then your country. Itong country, auto-detect na to. If yours is Philippines, it's better. Alright, select state, then for home phone number or your personal mobile number, type mo rito. Then, next, your valid email address, type mo dito. Then, retype again your email address dito. Then, for your date of birth, then choose gender. Then, for payment details, dito na natin ilalagay ang ating ginawang payment AlertPay payment processor. Alright? Lagay mo lang dito. O kaya, if you have already your PayPal account, lagay mo rin dito. Alright? Next, for login details, ito na yung magiging personal username mo sa ClickSense account mo. Alright? You have to create your own unique personal username. Alright, next, type your password, yung magiging password mo, then retype again yung password mo. Okay, next, password recovery. For password recovery, if ever na nakalimutan mo yung password mo, you can recover this by answering this secret question. Pili ka dito ng secret question, then answer this manually. Type mo dito yung answer. Alright, next, security measure. You have to encode this captcha code here in this box. Alright, next, for user agreement and privacy policy, check this box. For you to have read and agree to ClickSense user agreement and privacy policy. Alright, after doing this, I want to highlight this message ng ClickSense. To protect the integrity of the ClickSense advertising system, only one account per household is permitted. This is strictly enforced. It means na for one computer with internet action or internet access, one IP address lang po ang pwedeng gumamit. Ibig sabihin, if there's someone na gagamit itong personal computer mo na mag-create din account dito sa ClickSense, hindi po pwede. Isang IP address lang sa isang computer system mo. If ever na mangyari yon, magkakaroon tayo ng ISP issue. Alright? After doing this, fill up all this information, click this create account button. Alright. After clicking this button, you have to go to your valid email address na nilagay mo dito, again, to validate your registration dito sa ClickSense. Alright? In my case, I use my Google Mail. Alright? You have to sign in. Alright? Encode your username, your password. Then, click your mail. Then, go to your inbox. Piliin mo lang dun yung ClickSense registration. Then, from there, i-click mo yung link for verifying your ClickSense account. Alright, from there, i-redirect na tayo sa ating ClickSense homepage. Alright, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating PTC ClickSense webpage. Alright, ngayon meron na tayong sariling ClickSense account. You can now sign in. Encode mo lang yung username mo dito, then your password. Alright, for example, I will use mine. Then, click mo tong sign in button. Alright, after signing in, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating PTC homepage. Alright, mapapansin mo sa ating ClickSense toolbar, meron akong available ads for today, and dito rin sa homepage ko sa ClickSense. Alright, meron akong parehong isang ads. Meron akong isang kulay green na standard ads. This one. Ang value nito is 0.01. So, mas malaki siya. If you have another banner or ad na nakalagay dito na mas maliit, that value is 0.001. My advice, unahin mo lagi ito. Alright? Click mo lang tong ad na yan. Then, answer some simple matching test. Okay. This image, kapareho na ito. Then, yung ad na kinilik natin is magbibilang siya for around 30 seconds. Now, we are now viewing and clicking the ads for today. Alright? Mapapansin mo, nagbabasa na siya. Ayan, 30 seconds. While nag-upload siya, you can now browse and read this ads. Ito, sample dito is walang nakalagay. So, just wait na matapos to. It's not allowed na minimize mo tong window na to or close, otherwise magkakaroon ka ng error. So, kailangan mo itong matapos mag-upload itong timer na to. Alright? Mapapansin mo, ang aking earnings is $3.12 and 88 microcents. Now, I have now earned my earnings today. You see my this message, your click has been validated. You've just been credited $0.01. Now you can close this window after mag-pop up na itong message na to. Ibig sabihin, na-credit na yung earnings mo for today. It's just simple as that. By clicking ads, you are now starting earning easy money. Alright, it's just simple as that. Everyday ka na nagkiklik, everyday mag-accumulate ang earning mo. Then, as simple as that, para ka lang nag-Facebook or nag-Twitter, nag-message, mas maganda pa to kung nag-online gaming ka kasi by this, you can earn free money. Alright, you can now close this window. Alright, na wala na akong available ads to click for the day, na mapapansin mo, ang earnings ko ngayon is $3.12. Mag-accumulate na yung kinilik kong ads for today. Alright. I have a tip to you. If you want to earn more para mapabilis mo yung earnings, invite your friends to do the same. Pakita mo tong ads na to, itong potential business na to, kasi dito kami nag-start as a online marketer. Alright. By doing this, clicking ads, nakakaipon na tayo ng easy money. Alright. As my second tip to you, if you want to boost your earnings here, i-post mo tong information na to, itong PTC ads na to ng ClickSense sa mga social networking site mo, example sa Facebook, Twitter, o sa Multiply account mo. Ako, gumawa ko ng sulit ad to boost and to address my friends na meron akong ganitong online business. By just clicking ads, I am earning easy money. Alright, by that, I'm leaving you. Thank you for watching and viewing my Sulit webpage. If you want to earn more, please mag-register ka din sa mga nakapost kong PTC site doon. All that PTC is legitimate and proven na honest PTC site sila. Alright. By here, again, thank you for watching and viewing my Sulit webpage. Enjoy your clicking. Click your ads every day. Until then, bye-bye.